What's up YouTube? Back again with another video. As you know, I've been spending some time with my Surface Duo 2. I got the Galaxy Watch 4 to go with the Surface Duo 2, and so what's missing? I've got no headphones or earbuds or anything like that to work with the Surface Duo 2 because coming from the iPhone, I just had Apple wired headphones, and obviously I can't use it with my Duo 2. So there's a big sale that's happening right now on these JBLs happening on Amazon. You can get them on Amazon right now for here in Canada anyways, for $99. Regular price $219. So that's like 55% off. So you save $120. Now, a lot of times, you get these things posted and the price is probably way higher than it would have been normally. So I don't know if that's a great deal or not. You guys can tell me if you've seen these at full price. But $99.97 currently on sale. So I decided, let me pick it up and let's see how well it works with the Duo 2. So let's unbox this baby. So I got my trusty unboxing scissors. So let's tear this open right now. Alright, so it's my first earbuds, wireless earbuds. I've never owned a pair before. The Live 300 TWS, so true wireless. I guess that's what ambient aware talk through voice assistant. So it looks like it's going to be 20 hours worth of use. So 6 hours out of the charger and 14 with the charger. So I guess once I keep putting the earbuds back into the charger, they'll keep filling back up, right? I think that's how it works. So I got them in the white, thinking it would match well with my Duo 2, right? So built-in Google Assistant, built-in Alexa. Looks pretty good. Why don't we unbox it, see what we get. Alright, so got a scissors here, knife. Let's just cut this. Alright, 1, 2. Alright, here we go. They're tight. Did I miss one? Yep, I did. And three. All right. So my hope is that I can not only use this with my my Duo, but I can use it with my PC as well. So that would be cool. Alright, so let's unbox this guy, see what we got. So, it's a nice presentation. Looks like the case. Okay. Okay, looks like we got a little power in there already. There's a little indicator at the top there. Right, left. Okay, okay. Feels a little plasticky, but maybe this is normal for this type of product. Again, first time I'm holding one of these things, so it looks like that's USB-C at the bottom there, so it's good, it's good. Alright, let's put that up here for a second. What else we got in the box? Alright, looks like we got some instructions. I guess you can tap on the outside of it, get it to do different things, talk through, Google Assistant, pause, rewind. So swipe, can you mute? Because it'd be good to be able to mute the mic. I don't know if there's a touch option for that. You know, when I'm doing my meetings, I like to use the mute on my mic. So we'll see. Be one of the things I'll look into. So let's see what we got in here. Lots of documentation, instructions. Yeah. All right. What else? More documentation. And so that's nice. Let's put that aside. All right, let's keep going here. What else we got in here? What's in here? It's probably the cable, charging cable, I'm thinking. Yep. Seen the videos on this. This is a short cable. I don't know what are they expecting me to be plugging this into. Jeez. Did I keep this under my desk? Like, what the hell? I would think this should be a longer cable, but, well, at least I got a cable. I'm not gonna, I guess I shouldn't complain. But look at this. Look how short this is. Okay, well, guess that's what extensions are for. Alright, now, I guess these are the star of the show. So my first impression, take them out. Nice and light. My biggest concern with these is really the size. Like, is these gonna look crazy when they're in my ear? You know? Not that I care. Where am I going? It's COVID time. I'm working from home. I don't even know how much use I'm gonna get out of these earbuds right now, but hey, they're on sale. Why not? So here's how they look against the Duo, the color. I think it goes good. Yeah. Okay. So let's see, how do they get into the case here? Right and left. So let's see, this is left, looks like. So that goes in here like that. That goes in here like that. So these meant to, I'm assuming they're meant to stay in here and not just fall out. Let's see. Looks pretty good. So I shouldn't just give it a good hard shake. So they shouldn't come out. They're in there, so that's good. Oh, look at this. It's lighting up red here. And this is telling me maybe low charge or something like that. These ones are blinking in here. Blue. So let's go back to the Duo. And let's see if anything happens. You know, is there anything special I have to do? Do I pop this open and some sort of magic happens? Nope, certainly not automatically. So let's pull down and look at some devices here. Let's look at some Bluetooth. So I'm just searching. It says here, like, Surface Audio. I'm assuming this Surface Audio is for using the Surface audio devices and not, yeah, so Surface earbuds. So it's not for this. So let's forget that. And let's say pair a new device. So you can see it's detecting the lights available. What am I supposed to do to get this? Close and open this. Is the battery dead? Like, what is? Okay, so I'm not sure what I need to do to get it to recognize, so let's plug it in. Maybe it's maybe we're low on battery. So let's plug it in. Good old trusty extension cord here for, right, and see what we got. Plug it in. Open it up. We got power. Here we go. Here we go. JBL Live. Let's zoom in a little bit. So we've got JBL Live will appear on your device linked with, well, that's my email. Alright, let's go. Let's connect. Okay, this side it says it's pairing. Nice. Okay, okay. We got 40% battery. Wants me to set up Google Assistant. You know what? I'm going to skip that. Whoop. Okay. Well, I guess that means we're paired now. So I shut it down. Seems to disconnect. Open it back up. And it's now connected. So let's pull out. Let's try putting in my ear. Oh, okay. I got one in. You get a little bit of a beep. Let's get that second one in. Okay. Alright, YouTube. So I've gone away and I've got these JBL now fully charged up, and we're going to connect back to the Duo, and we're going to test some music again. So you can see here we got this guy over there, and we'll use this program and we'll pull up some music from my server locally. So we're connected. I did the download for the firmware update, so that's all good. We got our EQ set to bass, just the way I like it. Hey, let's get some Tupac in here. So let's see, what do we feel? Oh, you know what? Let's go to church. Okay. This bass sounds good. Let's see what the volume. Quick volume. Ooh. Now this is hitting. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Alright, let's turn it down. Okay. Come. Hail Mary. Alright, see if I can hit the pause there. Woo! That sounded good. That sounded good. Alright, so maybe that update did something, or maybe it's not using the Amazon music version, but that sounded good. Let's, you know what? Because let's listen to some. Where's my boy? Oh, Nipsey. All right, all right. Okay, let's get some volume on this. Okay, all right. Whew. Well, okay, that sounds good. That sounds good. Now, I had this weird disconnect for a second when it first started, but ooh, that hits good. Okay, all right, I'm taking it back. Thinking I'm pretty impressed here. So, you know what? Let's try something. Let's bring in an old friend. Remember this guy? Yeah? Alright, let's see on this guy and get it to connect. Okay, let's see if it will connect my... Okay, let's go on the Bluetooth. See if we can... Okay, alright. We got connection. Got connection. Let's find my my boy Tupac again. So I've got the iPhone connected to the same local network. Where am I at? Tupac. Come on, Tupac, let's take me to church. Oh, here we go. Let's see if the this is with no additional settings on the iPhone. Didn't install any app. Let's see how this pounds. Woo! That sounded good. That sounded good. Okay, let's find our boy Nipsey. Let's see. Okay. Got a lot of scrolling through here. It's got a lot of music on this. It's what folder I use when I go out to do some DJing, or used to before COVID hit anyways. Here we go. Sounds just as good with the iPhone. I guess it doesn't really... I mean, the Surface is just this is good. Ooh, that bass is pretty good. Actually does make my head feel like it's rattling, so that's okay. Those initial first impressions, I take them back. This is not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, there you have it. Appreciate you guys hanging around to the end. If you haven't hit the like button, please go ahead and do so. Also hit the subscribe button. I will have my final review of the Duo 2 coming out shortly. And you don't want to miss that one. Alright, so again, these JBLs are on sale right now, at least in Canada, on Amazon. Something like 55% off. So go check them out. I'll put the link in the description. They sound pretty damn good. Peace.